Hi guys, this is Bat Gaming here, and today I just want to do an update of the Hoover windtunnel self-propelled. I haven't really used this thing in a while, but I haven't really used this in a while. It's just been using some different kind of vacuums, but this machine right here, I'm starting to have issues. Like, I'm starting to have some issues with this machine, like this self-propelled right here, this little part like broke off, and like what I would try to do is I'm trying to turn this thing off, like I try to like get it right back up to off. So yes, like this piece right here is like broke. Like I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to get a new handle or so. I might get a new handle or whatever. Like, yeah, I did get this off of Facebook Marketplace a long time ago. And when I first got this, the filter, like, I'll show you, like, there was no bag in there. So I put a new bag in here. And the filter, like, under here was completely clogged up. So I had to unclog it. And this thing's like really dusty, as you guys could see that. I know it's pretty dusty. I do need to clean it out. So, like, I tried to clean this machine out. Oops. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I tried to take this machine apart, but I don't know how to like take off the motor, stuff like that. So yeah, and this thing is like right here is like really strong to vacuum. Like it's really strong. Like when I was vacuuming, it's like really heavy, really strong. Like when you turn it on, it's like strong and heavy. And so yeah, and there's nothing like really wrong. Well, the turbo brush right here, if I can get it out. Oops, it's hard to do with just one hand. So I can see the turbo brush is not too bad. It's not really used. So it hasn't been really used in a while. So yeah, I might have to get some parts for the wind tunnel self-propelled. I might have to get a new handle for this because this little piece right there broke. Or I might try to fix it. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video of the update of the Hoover wind tunnel self-propelled Ultra. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.